broken parts. Oh, not all of them, but these. Okay, see here that brown metal? That's not supposed to look like that. And that color right there, that little line, that line means that's the only part of the teeth left that this fits into. Bam. But that, see how there's some ball bearings down there and then there's a little part of it missing? Well, that missing got into these little teeth here, locked it up, and that's what broke that. So now I get to start cleaning and put this back together.